Hello guys, how to be here. Welcome back to another video, and today we will find out the best dating app in Play Store. So as you can see, we'll just go to the Play Store and we'll just search for a dating app. And the first app actually popping up for Bangladeshi matrimony. I don't know. What does this mean? It looks very decent reviews, but we'll go next. We'll go next. Just checking this out. So let's try this out. Let's see. And it's already downloaded. Let's open. I think I have to open an account and oh my god, they're talking about the success stories. Okay, just I want to sign up. What? Okay. While we're signing up, just coming back shortly. So guys, the application has been sent, and yeah, I just had the confirmation. And 634198 634198 6341998. Yeah, the OTP. I'll have to give a photos, and we'll just wait and let's see. Let me upload a photo. Well, they are giving the partner preference, and this is the preference of her, so I'll just save it, let it go. And as you can see, they are actually let me buy the subscription. So yeah, this is the time. I'll check this out if it is scam or real. So I'm just going to skip this part, and yeah, this is what is my dashboard looks like. And they are actually giving me the possible suggestion I could have. And yeah, these guys are actually using this for real, or just let me send someone a message under validation. I don't know. Let me just check out the validity. Well guys, I just checked the validity, and the validity is actually requiring the photos. As I created this profile just now, and I'll have to wait for 1 hour to make the perfect validity. But let's see if it is working. It's offline, so just send the random messages. I can be able to send messages, right? Oh yeah, I think this is for under validity, as this is my account is under invalidation, so it will need some time, I think. Yeah, as you can see, or I am not sure. Let's send some interest. So secure. I don't know. What the hell? Not now. So let's check the just trend, and And lots of the dating apps is actually for the scams. I mean, there are bunch of scammers all around the world, and this is can be real. So yeah, let's check out the matches right there. I'll say we'll just check out someone like, let's see this. This is the profile, and oh yeah, if I swipe right or left, it will just bring all the details of others, and this thing is all. And the contact details is, this is, let's, I mean, fishy lot. What the hell are these guys? So she has two photos, and what is that? Send interest. Let's send the interest, and what? And what is the details are? So education PhD. Oh my god, is PhD in stars. Well, this was the preference, right? Yeah, this was the preference. Well, most of the people are here actually looks like either they're married or divorced. I mean, these guys are not even real estate. So, well, let me check out the mail for a second. It's very much irritating. I'll talk about this later, but what about the premiums? The gold accounts. It's the premium accounts. And request to view. I'll have to send the request to view his photos. I mean, what the hell is this? These are very much fishy. And there is another one is featured. I mean, this can be real. Well, what the hell is this mutual? And these people are actually matched with me, right? Can't find any good. Definitely not. also I'll check out the last tab. If you're not contacted, I mean, is this real? If I say chat now, my profile is under validation. I knew this, and I think this will continue having this validation. And with my profile, so much what preferred profession. Let's say this. Let's say this. Let's say this. Why this is? Oh my god, there are lots of things. Oh, these things actually, this application actually have lots of features, but I think there is some problems, and they actually organized this very much smartly. I mean, well, I'm very clueless. As I mean, validation. I mean, they are actually offering us the instant subscription for 2,900 techno, but they can't even give me the account validity yet. As you can see, I don't know what is happening, but they are offering the instant premium. And yes, searches actually. And yeah, that's the preference that is here from me, but I can just edit and reset it. I don't know what is this by search by ID. So if I have the ID, I can just find him with the direct ID, or I'll just search by profession, like what did he, what she do, or I mean what she does. And well, actually it feels like something is very not usable. So I can use my profiles here. Yeah, and yeah, this is the profession is given so far. I mean, this is the ID. I can add multiple photos, but this thing's actually not looking great. And feedback and email us. There's the contact button, the notification button, right? Yeah, but these things actually seems like it is totally fake, or this is just for scamming, because without premium or without validation you can be able to do anything. Yeah, as you can see, sorry, your profile is under validation. So we will check this out again, but I think at this point this is not real. These have some issues with the girl here, and I'm not sure though, but it feels me this is not real. So Yeah, that's all from today, guys. Hope you'll enjoy the video, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button for more. We hope to see you all soon. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace. Oh, this car looks nice, and I think, oh, can you guys see the watermark? This is definitely scam. This can be real. Holy moly. This is a scam, man. Well, see you all soon.